this happened. So today I'm going to be replacing these ear cuffs with brand new ear cuffs from Amazon. I've linked these ones down below. Perfectly new looking ear muffs. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're actually gonna just pull this completely out. You kind of have to be pretty rough with it, and that is a successful rip. You don't want to just rip the earmuff off, like off the glue. You want to remove the entire thing itself. This ring needs to come right off. And then we're also going to remove this part here. It feels like you're breaking it, but you're not. And then remove this as well. Perfect. There's a high chance that you're gonna be left with sticky stuff like this, in which case you would use some Windex to actually remove the remaining glue here. Since I don't have much, I'm just gonna continue without Windex. Oh yeah. Ooh. How I didn't just make a hole in that, I don't know. And there you have them. Brand new looking headphones.